On Wednesday, multiple Ukrainian government authorities reported that a Ukrainian Navy missile battery had hit the Russian military ship, Moskva, near the shore of Odessa, a vital Black Sea port city in southwest Ukraine. The strike was announced by Anton Gashenko, an advisor to the Ministry of Internal Affairs in Kyiv. Maxim Marchenko, the head of Odessa's administration, felt the same way. The Neptune missiles inflicted significant damage to the Russian ship, Marchenko claimed. In addition, Ukrainian presidential advisor Alexei Arestovich stated that a surprise occurred with the Russian Black Sea Fleet's flagship. "We have no idea what happened. It's on fire right now. With this stormy sea, it's unclear whether they'll be able to receive assistance. There are 510 crew members," he said in a YouTube broadcast.